Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to download historical data from Yahoo Finance, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we are already landed in finance.yahoo.com, and in here you can see we have various news and stock price, whatever we want to see. Okay, when you will enter this place, you just need to go over here and click on Asia, and then I'm going to click on any share price I want. I will click over here, then it will take a while and it will redirect you to this page where you can see the price of your share market and share portfolio. So here I will go over here in historical data. Once I visit over here, then you can see this is the whole data, like time period we have the history. So here if you want to history like from 1 year, 5 year, or maximum I want only 5-day data, then I will click over here. Then here you can see this is 5-day data, 19, 20, 21, 22 May, and I just want to download it through the Yahoo Finance. So that for reason I am going to click on this place. Here I will get option for download it. So that for reason I need to create an account in this Yahoo Finance. So eventually you will get the download button over in the right hand side, and then you can download it into CSV file and you are allowed to open it in Excel sheet. So the process is really simple. I hope you love this video. If the video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.